Worth keeping an eye on this project, very technical project. One of our recent investments. We made this investment less than a month ago. Lurk. This is a very deeply technical project. Right? They're building a ZK compute platform with a specialized language for developing private applications that are formally verifiable. Think about that. ZK, where you can verify the applications. Tech score, deeply technical project, 87%. So it's legit tech. The big narrative here, ZK compute. Its competitors, although not kind of the same, but different, Cardano, because Cardano is basically a blockchain where it's formally verified as well. And RISC Zero and Polyhedra are probably more direct competitors because they're also ZK compute platforms. Why we like it? It's formally verifiable ZK platform. What's the vibe here? Dare I say this, although not similar projects, but I think kind of similar founders, Cardano vibes. If you guys see the founder of Lurk, he kind of looks like Charles Hoskinson, has the glasses, has the big beard. And this is a project that's trying to basically formally verify ZK proofs in the same way Cardano is building an L1 with formal verification built in. So that's why I call this is pretty easy, Cardano vibe. Now, I'm not saying this is the next Cardano, but it has similar vibes. And probable airdrop. And this is basically how it compares. They have their own language, Lurk lang, and how they compare to other ZK projects out there. Worth keeping an eye on this project, very technical project. Cardano vibes, founder even kind of has Charles Hoskinson vibes. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, we have even more content for you at Token Metrics. Get there using the link down below.